Hello students, in the last session we have studied how to find the distance between 2 points given on a number line. The link of that video is given in the description. You can watch that video. In this session we are going to learn how to find the distance between the 2 points which are given on the Cartesian coordinate system. So for that one, let us consider the Cartesian coordinate system, the horizontal line which is called as x-axis and the vertical line which is called as y-axis. These two axes meet at point O, which is called as origin. Let there are 2 points given on x-axis. So let there is a point A on x-axis. There is another point B on x-axis. The vertex of A is 3 and vertex of B is 6. Now as these are the points on the x-axis, their y-coordinate must be 0. So the point A has coordinates 3, 0 and point B has a coordinates 6, 0. So if we have to find the distance between them, we have to subtract the x coordinate of point A from x coordinate of point B. That is, if we subtract 3 from 6, we get the distance between them. That is 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And we can observe that the distance between these two is 3, as this is the 1 unit, 2 unit and 3 unit. Generally, we have the formula for this situation that if there are 2 points which are given on x-axis, let the coordinates of point A be x1, 0 and the coordinates of point B be x2, 0. Here we have taken the coordinates of y for both of these 2 points 0, as these are the 2 points on x-axis. Now to find the distance between them, we use the formula x2 minus x1, that is the difference of x coordinates of these 2 points. So distance between any 2 points on x-axis is given by the formula x2 minus x1. Now the second possibility is that the 2 points are on the y-axis. Let us consider these 2 points A and B which are on the y-axis. The distance between these two is 3 units, as we can count. Now to find the formula for finding the distance between any 2 points on y-axis, let us consider their vertices. As these 2 points are on y-axis, their x coordinates must be 0. So let the coordinates of point A be 0 and y1 and the coordinates of point B are 0, y2. As these are the 2 points given on y-axis, we have taken their x coordinates 0 because every point on y-axis has x coordinate 0. Now to find the distance between them, again we have to take the difference between only y coordinates. So to find the formula for this one, we have distance AB is equal to y2 minus y1. That is the difference between the y coordinates of these 2 points. So this is the second situation. If there are 2 points given on y-axis, their distance can be found by using the formula y2 minus y1.